So this video is about how to remember the charges on these, 5 phosphoglycerols. So I've organized this chart into 3 sections: net 0 charge, net -1 charge, and net -2 charge. I'd actually like to start with cardiolipin. I abbreviated phosphatidyl, the prefix phosphatidyl, for PA because the names ended up being very long. So diphosphatidylglycerol glycerol is cardiolipin, and we know that phosphatidate has a -1 charge, and we know glycerol has a 0 charge, and we know that di means 2, so we're going to have times 2. We're going to have 2 phosphatidates and 1 glycerol, so our net charge is going to be equal to -2 for cardiolipin, and that's the only species we have that's a -2 charge. Then we can move on to the -1 charges. So we have phosphatidylserine. So serine is an amino acid. It looks like this. And during when it's combined with phosphatidate, it combines at this part with its hydroxy group. So the hydrogen is removed and the oxygen is attached to the phosphate group. So that looks something like this. So this is our backbone. Wait, let me draw that a different way. So we have H2 here. And then we end up, since this is at physiological pH, so we're going to have a protonated amine and a negative charge here, and our fatty acid tails are going to be here. And so we have a plus, a minus, and a minus, so this results in a -1 charge. You can just think of this as any amino acid and the charge of any amino acid, or not any amino acid, any neutral amino acid at physiological pH -1, and this results in a -1 charge. So then we have phosphatidylinositol, and inositol is a very neutral sugar. So just think sugar, it's a 6-membered ring, like most sugars that we're familiar with, so it's going to be neutral. And so since this is neutral, just like the amino acid, and this is a -1, we're going to have a net -1 charge. And then the net 0 charges are the difficult ones. So we have phosphatidylcholine and phosphatidylethynolamine here. So both of these supply a +1 charge, offsetting the -1 provided by the phosphatidate. And unfortunately, I can't think of an easy way to remember those two. So that's it.